Hi, my name is Casey Reina Sinistera. I study at Colombo and I belong to the level T5. And I'm going to talk about rape. What is rape? It is a type of sexual assault usually involving sexual intercourse or other forms of sexual penetration, carried out against a person without the person's consent. The act may be carried out by physical force, coercion, abuse of authority, or against a person who is incapable of giving valid consent, such as one who is unconscious, incapacitated, has an intellectual disability, or is beyond the legal age of consent. Effects. Normally, victims may not recognize that what happened to them was rape. Some may remain in denial for years afterwards. 2. During the assault, a person will respond with fight, flight, freeze, or flow. 3. A man or boy who is raped may feel stimulated and even ejaculate during the experience of the rape. 4. Dissociation can occur during the assault. Memories may be fragmented immediately afterwards. Types of rape. In this part, I'm going to say 3 of them. Number 1, diminished capacity rape. The type of rape known as diminished capacity rape is committed when one person forces sexual penetration on another person who cannot consent to the sex act. Number 2, age-related rape. Another form of rape is age-related. This type of rape is often known as statutory rape as specified both in federal and state law. In this case, sexual actions with a person below a minimum age is considered illegal and in all cases. Incest. Incest is a type of rape dictated by the relationship between the two parties. When the two parties involved in the sex act are closely related, in other words, they are family, it is often rape. How affects the rape in our society? It affects in different ways because due to this exist many mentally unstable people. Having people who have been abused in our society may involve to the fomentation of drugs and an attempt to escape from reality, alcohol, or even murders when the victim visualizes his or her stalker in the street and decides to take revenge. And in order to finish, it is important to mention that according to different studies carried out, women are more likely to be raped than men. Why? Because of every 10 women, 8 are sexually abused, and in men of every 10 men, 1 is sexually abused. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.